This is Jeff Page from Heartland Customs in Purcell, Oklahoma. 12 years in February we'll be open, and since we kind of focused on the resto mod market, you know, it's been really good for us. We've been using Wizard products for probably about 4 years now. Really happy with the way that everything works. It's so much easier, it's so much safer than the old wool buffers and things like that. Even the finishing stuff, the nano waxes and stuff like that, leaves a finish that nobody else can deliver. Really happy with that stuff. The tech support, if you have a question about anything's done, the way they support us builders is phenomenal. We couldn't be happier.